weekend of 19 to May 21st, 2023. Is there again the Ducaticlubrace with the eurosingles at the TT Circuit Assen. We will also try to get more than 40 classic singles to start for 2023. Will you join us? Be quick because in the first 5 days there were already 35 registrations. You get 2 practices and 2 races. These races are real races and not a regularity. Or are you coming to watch? You won't regret it. In addition to the eurosingles, there are also the euroclassics and the IHRO, but also the classic sidecars. For more info, www.Ducaticlubrace.com.